more power out. And then go flaps 20. And that's all we'll use for today, because...
And Tower 24 Kilo X-ray, we're up with you. We just got change over to 34 right.
Here's 24 Kilo X-ray, Van
Pull the power.
Cessna's on 1 mile final, runway 34 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 34 right, looking for that traffic, 24 Kilo X-ray.
Just, yeah, that's fine.
All the way?
All the way out, just, yeah. Have your hand there just in case you go around. Use it as a hand rest. So yeah, now we're coming in. Yeah. Just a straight headwind, so it's...
November 32 Foxtrot, when you're out of the 360, traffic to follow the Cirrus crossing the 101 freeway at 1,500.
Traffic inside 32 Foxtrot.
32 Foxtrot, number 3 to follow the Cirrus, runway 34 right, cleared for the option. Caution wake turbulence for a Gulfstream
yeah,
on
a little
left
hair
base.
power, just kind of like rain real quick. That's good. Yeah. Maybe one more of those. There you go. That's good. Alright, transition your eyes down. Back pressure a bit, there you go. Yeah, perfect. Brakes. Laps up.
For Cessna 575, park southwest, correct?
Hey, firm. Oh,
575, hold short of runway 34 left, remain this frequency.
hold short 34 left at golf, stay with you, 575. That was a really good line.
Cessna 575, expedite traffic